Hello everybody, how are we all today? Lovely day, ain't it? It's freezing, ain't it? It really is, it's cold out there. I think it was 1 degree when I went out to the shop to get what I'm doing today. And what am I doing? I'm going to be doing air fryer honey glazed pork chops. Delicious, nice and simple. Don't take long in the air fryer, does it? But I'm going to have it with something I haven't had for years. Can't remember the last time I had it. And I used to like it anyway. Where is it? I forgot all about this, you know. Some savoury rice. I forgot all about that and I've seen it up Aldi today. I thought, oh, I'm going to get some of that. Because I do like it. And well, I used to like it. And it was very nice. This is a golden vegetable one. They do a beef one as well, don't they? But I'm going to have it with some of that, I am. Delicious. But obviously that'll be done in the pan. Right, let me show you what we're going to do. Okay, this is what I've got. I was just thinking as I was setting up this camera, I might put some paprika in as well. I think I will, so I think I'll get some in a minute. So what I've got is I've got 3 garlic cloves. I've got a tablespoon each of whole grain mustard there. Tomato ketchup. Some soy sauce. Or a tablespoon. And some salt and pepper to taste. And obviously your honey. Nice and simple. And I'm going to get myself some paprika and a tablespoon of paprika. I do like paprika. As I say, you can put in what you want, can't you? It's entirely up to you. First anyway, we want to pat your pork chops down. I got these from Aldi. Was it £4? £4.50 I think. You get 4. Cut your fat a little bit, that's all. So I can curling up a little bit. That I like the fat, it likes the fat anyway, it doesn't really bother me. Anyway, wash my hands. I've got a sniffy nose today, terrible sniffy nose. Right, I'm going to get some salt and pepper on all of it. It's going to go into a bag anyway, and it's going to marinate until I'm ready to use it, that's all. So that's why I'm not putting any oil on. I put some oil on when I cook it. There's them. Nice and simple. I just wash my hands. Now we get a bag. Get them all in a bag. You don't have, if you haven't got any bags, you can always just stick them in a bowl or something. I'm not going to put them in the fridge while I'm marinating. I'm going to leave them out to get to proper room temperature. Get all them in there. Garlic in, just get everything in, guys, that's all. Don't be shy. Get it all in there. Can you see that? You can't even see that, can you? Not even in the camera. Mustard, paprika, I do like a bit of paprika, mate. Tomato ketchup. Get it all in. Bit of soy sauce. And I'm going to use a whole jar of honey. 80p from Aldi. Pile it in. Oh. Come on, get all them scrags. Delicious. And we'll give all that a good mix around. And we're going to leave that now until I'm ready to have it. I'm ready to cook it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, you're a good mix. Delicious. As I say, if you do this, just put your own seasoning, what you like or what you think. A bit of cayenne pepper if you want a bit more spicy or whatever you want. There we go. We will leave that. Okay guys, it's been a couple of hours now with that sitting. I have got a bit of honey left there, all that's been dropping since I put it all in the bag. So what I'm going to do with that is every so often I'm going to just brush it all over the top of it, get that extra bit of honey flavour in there. That's what I'm going to do. Anyway, onto the rice first. I've got 400ml of hot water and I'm going to cook my rice in a vegetable stock, because why not, eh? Why not? Give it that extra bit of flavour. Let's get that open and we'll get that in there. just preparing this first, then I'll get the air fryer on to warm up. Get it all in. Give that a mix. And I say, if you haven't had this rice, I used to really love it. I don't know whether you've had it or what, but Bramwells, 59p I think it was. It used to be a lot cheaper than that, but obviously things have gone up. Less than 1% fat, and I ain't got my reading glasses on, I can't see. 226 calories per serving is that? Well, I'm having the old bag. So, let me just show you, if you haven't seen. There you go, have yourself a look. No artificial colours or preserve or flavouring. You can do it in the microwave, but I'm going to do mine on the hob. 9 minutes in the microwave, or 10, 11, or to 12 in the hob, on the hob, once your water's boiled. Have yourself a look at that. Nutrition anywhere, down there, ingredients is down there, if you want to have a look. Yeah, so that's that one. Anyway, I'm going to get my air fryer on first, warm up. Okay, air fryer's got about 2 minutes warming up to go. I'm going to empty all this into there, so I won't make as much of a mess. Oh, look at that now, look. Look at that. Get all that goodness. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. This is going to be delicious. Now I'm going to get me water. My vegetable stock in there, 400ml. Get it all in there. Bring it to the boil. Okay, it's boiling. Rice in. There it is, look. Bit of everything in there. Give it a little stir. Now you want to vigorously simmer for 10 to 12 minutes. It doesn't matter your rice cooks first, because it can just sit there. Air fryer's just warmed up. Okay, I'm hoping I've got you in a good enough angle. I can't see properly. But there we go, a bit of oil at the bottom, and we'll get a couple in. You think you find me funny? Just make sure, if you do these and you haven't done it before, make sure you wash your air fryer out straight after, because you don't want all that honey sticking, if you get what I mean. There's one. It can be a nightmare if it goes off to clean. Oh, nice little sizzle there, look. Lovely. And there's that one. And we will, I've got them on 200 degrees for 15 minutes. But I say we'll just keep checking them and see what's what. I just don't think, I can't remember whether I oiled the one pan. I've just done it now, in case I say I'll never. I couldn't remember whether I did or not, but I have. Okay, rice is done. These have got 30 seconds left. I've been basting them with that extra honey. Smelling delicious. Let's have a, well, might as well wait till the last 20 seconds, mightn't I? Might as well wait till the last 20 seconds. I'm looking forward to my rice, it looks nice. Show you in a second. Lovely pork chops. Lovely pork chops. Have a look. There they are. Oh yes, look at them beauties. Look at them beauties. Right, let me get a plate. I'm going to leave them there to rest for a few minutes while I clean my air fryer up. Oh, look at them ones. Look at that one there. Oh yes, hope you can see that properly. There we go. I'll leave them a couple of minutes and then I'll wash my air fryer. Best to get all that honey out of there straight away. Right guys, we've got a little bit of rocket, a couple of chops each. Delicious, look at them. Oh yes. Might as well have a couple of chops, mightn't we? Couple of good old chops. Nat's going to have some of these herby potatoes. And I'm going to have my delicious rice. I'll give Nat them ones because she the crunchier, what do you call it? The crunchier, the fat. She doesn't like her fat. And she likes the sauces. There we go, there's them. Put them over there. And we'll get my rice. And there is my rice, which I haven't had for a long time. I'm having it all. Because why not? Oh yes, oh yes. Oh, lovely. So then, what do we think? Delicious, eh? There's Nats. Right, up the table. Nose can't stop running, it's terrible. It looks nice though, look. And that rice smells just like I remember. Remember we used to have that rice, Bab? I used to have it all the time, didn't I?
You used to have that
all the time. Let me show you properly now. There it is, look. Honey roasted, honey glazed. Ooh, yeah. And me rice. Delicious, eh? And a bit of rocket, which I'm not really too keen on, but for the content. Nats, I'm not sure whether Nat's coming on. She hasn't feeling the best. The back's gone and the legs. It's tuck in, eh? It's tuck in. You are cutting it, Bab? Yeah?
Thank you, yeah.
I can turn the camera off, cut it for you, didn't I?
No. Fall into pieces today.
Fall into pieces, ain't you? Let's bring it down a bit actually so you can see. You want my fat? You want my fatness?
Yeah, please. A little fatness.
You love my fatness?
Thank you.
Bit of that rice. Oh yes.
Put some of that on the rocket, it changes it. Yeah. Oh.
Them honey, try them honey things yet? Oh, you got them now? They're nice, aren't they? Nice bit of honey there.
I'm not coming on.
Not coming on.
No,
Okay.
sorry.
That's alright. You can see your voice. Oh yes. There you go, something nice and simple.
That's delicious.
That's really nice, isn't it? Isn't that nice? That's put in the face like me with my rice pudding.
I love honey chops. So it's always been my fault. I love honey chops.
No honey chops.
They're nice. Delicious.
Oh, I like that rice.
This is simple to do.
Yeah, just honey and tomato ketchup and a bit of mustard and paprika and put in whatever seasoning you want, don't you? You know what I mean? Whatever you like, innit? And that rice is really nice. It's still like I remember. Before I used to just do it in water, but I thought I'd do it in some vegetable stock. And it's delicious.
Is it better?
Yeah. So I haven't had it for years, but them chops are delicious, aren't they? That honey, that sweetness.
That all goes nice with this.
It all goes nice together, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I know you've had potatoes and rocket.
The rocket's nice when you put some of that stuff.
So I can't say no much more. Apart from me marking. I'm going to get a rice, a 10 for what it is. 59p and it's delicious. Serves two, doesn't it? But I've been greedy and I'll eat all of that. I bought another packet as well, because I've seen it. This is nice. My chops as well. I'm going to get them a 10. They're delicious, aren't they? Yeah, got a mouthful. Yeah, so I'm giving it a 10. 10 for a simple air fryer recipe, obviously. Air fryer chops, not my rice. And a bit of rocket, which I'm not going to eat my rocket, but it was for the content. That'll eat hers. All in all. Oops, I forgot. I bought. I had some of this over Christmas. Delicious, and it is nice. So I thought I'd buy 4 cans so we can have a little top while we're out dinner. I know she's not feeling up to it, but this might make her feel a bit better. And it, Bab?
Oh yeah, take the pain away.
Ice cold glasses, what you want. Get it in there. Have a little tot. Have a little bit of a... It's Magna's rip-off, isn't it? It's the Aldi one, the cherry. It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really nice. Especially when it's cold. But it goes down too well.
We'll have a bit of that. Cheers! See you later. Bye-bye.